mental disturbance yini kulento ayenzile?
Ngiyabingelela obingelelayo umzimba okhalimali uDlamini. Kuthiwa umfundisi lona. Siyanikhuza abantu bakithi South Africa abahulumeni. Musani ukumukela bonke abantu eSouth Africa. Uyabona lo mbuzo ubuza umhlonishwa. I-problem enkulu nenkulu engifuna ukuyichaza. Abantu abayeke ukuhamba beyolanda izinto beyifake emagazini abo bengazazi ukuthi ithini into. Ngeke umuntu agwaze umuntu amanxeba angaka e-right la engqondweni yakhe. Ngeke ngiyabheja. Lapho ngiyabheja. Okukhomba ukuthi khona into ethile khona kuye lo muntu. Wesi laba abantu nje babeza la namanje akakafuni ukuveza uyayihlanyisa manje lokho eyihlanyisa manje. Yini mhlawumbe amaphepha akhe awaqondile njengoba la. iSouth Africa i-banana country up until kuze kube khona uhulumeni ozolalela abantu ozoyibona ukuthi ayiyona i-banana country. So ke mina ngokwami kukhona into ethile ekhona kuye whether udla idakamizwa lo muntu noma khona into eyilanda ngenhloso yokuthi ufuna imsebenzele noma ibandla ligcwale noma kwenzakalini ngoba phela amabandla asagcwalisa ngezinto ezithile bazongizonda kabafundisi abangibatshela amaqiniso bese egcineni mase beyilandile lezi zinto zingene lapha emagazini abo. Uma ingena lapha emagazini abo lento isifuna igazi, uyabona. So abaningi abantu abenza izinto ezifana nalezi whether zidakamizwa noma into ethile ayilanda isiyamjikela.
Njengoba silana enkantolo njengoba sibona abantu bebaningi kanjena ingabe lana siyabantu abazwelana ikhona yini into enilindele kumthetho?
Silindile kade ngikhuluma nobaba umjosti la uthi usalindwe umseshi ngoba ngathi usesibhedlela lo mnomzana uzenza umuntu ongathi uyagula ngekhanda waseyathathwa uyayihlanyisa nje wathathwa abekwe esibhedlela akhe engathi usezosuswa ke bese ya eFort Neighbor. Kodwa ke manje fanele avele phela nezwe limbone ukuthi nangi lo muntu owenze lento ngoba ngeke ayenze lo muntu lento ayenzile kwi-country yakhe. So kungijabulisa kakhulu kokunye ukuthi usisi Jacinta ukhona la ukhona umyeni wakhe iMarch and March nampa abafowethu bakhona sizosupporta nami njengoba ngikhona ngiyeke yonke into engiyenzayo ngeza lapha ngoba ngizosupporta. So ke lokho kuyangijabulisa kakhulu. Lapha enkantolo silinda ukuthi singene manje ngoba ku 11:30 ukuthi singene ngaphakathi ebese kuyalalelwa ke ukuthi kuthiwani then kuzothathwa sekusuka lapho kuya phambili.
Kodwa sicacile ukuthi umnumzane longela zaphela namhlanje
kukhona ngendlela okuyiyo njengoba sesibhedlela nje egadiwe nakhona amathuba ukuthi uzovela mancane kodwa ke sizolinda mhlawumbe khona inkantolo into ezoyisho ukuthi no thina siyamfuna simfune egule njalo uzoza nodokotela noma bazomjova afike la avele ngoba phela iSouth Africa kufanele imbone egcineni. Uma ngathiwa kulethwe ama-case abantu bokufika ezinto asebezenzile la ezinye ezenzeka emphakathini kube into ephelele emoyeni ungathuka isimanga. Even today umoyo owabulala amaphoyisa kiwe enkantolo awu2 wawadubula akazatholakala namhlanje but uhulumeni ngeke umuzwe ekhuluma ngalokho. Mangaka ama-case abantu abawenzile la bebulala abantu base South Africa zobugebengu ekugcineni labo bantu bengabanjwa. So ke thina ke njengama South Africans esiconcern ngezwe lethu sithi thina uhulumeni akasukume futhi ke uhulumeni uyozusizwe sizomasha kuze kulunge every Thursday washo usisi Jacinta wathi every Thursday siyamasha.
mhlawumbe lesisi uTristana lesibonile omunye oza kwenu lapha bamakhaya ngabo ukhetheleza ukuthi use-standing candidate kwiwadi yakhe for ukuba i-PR candidate. Mhlawumbe singakubona nawe imalikazi ungena.
Bafethu niyangihlekisa kodwa nje mawulibheka izinga lami lifanele ukuba sewadini. Angini manje useyangikhatha manje nomngane wami. Phela ukhetheleza umfowethu ukhetheleza. Ngiyambongela nje ukuthi ungenile lapha. Kodwa i-charisma yakhe ne-capacity yakhe hayi ndumandumane inkabe yami hayi mina nje umzimba khalimali ongachemile futhi ongenandaba sengifuna uhamba uyotshela ke abangaphezulu ayikufanele lento oyithathile.
Ngamanye amazwi kuyiqiniso ukuthi
cha ungenile kodwa akakudeserve uba lapha nokhetheleza. I-level yakhe ilevel yakhe neyami ayivumi ukuthi singaba semawadini. Ungathatha umuntu osebenza kangaka uyomfihla ewadini. Yonke lemisebenzi ade yenza angithi uchairperson we-national under traditional healers uyena osiphethe nami ngiphethwe uye. Ngase nami sengiphuma ke inxiwa lami ngoba phela si-MK sonke ngase ngena kwilakho wase kumancinzo wangiqabeza wathi Dlamini ngoba ukhetheleza uchairperson ngapha wena uba uchairperson ngapha. So ke sikwi-level kodwa mina ngokwe MK traditional healers mina ngichairperson wabelaphi bendabuko eKZN yena unational. Ungasusa umuntu osekwi-national obekwazi ukugcwalisa i-stadium obekwazi ukushaya ama-motorcade nabantu abayinqwaba. I-first event yahostelwa eMzo Lifestyle.
Manje
Mahloni awekho la.
Njoba engenile as a ward candidate.
Yeah.
Mhlambe kukhona mhlambe okunye okuyi-backup ukuthi mhlambe ungenile mhlambe kuma-PR list akhona lokho noma maye webhodini mawukuthi mhlambe uyashayeka ebhodini futhi sekuphelile.
Cha angiboni kanjalo angithi njengoba engenile usakhethwe i-MK okwamanje. Usezohamba ke yoma esigcobeni angithi. Ebese ke siyamvotela simlekelele khankasa ukuthi awini. Uma uthi akawini sekubuka inamba ukuthi ubani othathe iward. Kodwa mina ngokwami ngiyamethemba mina. Nabantu abakhona ngiyabethemba. Kodwa nje ngikusho nje bafowethu ungananazi mina njengoDlamini uMzimkhalimali ukhehlelezi uma ngabe kuneqiniso akadeserve ke wadini. Ngokwe-status sakhe. Asikuyeke ukuthi unani. Sikhulume ngokusebenza ngomsebenzi ayenzile. Ushuthi nje bonke labantu abakhona balapha abaphethe njengamanje ababoni ukuthi akufanele ukhehleleza belapha ewadini. Naye uyaya lapha kodwa mhlambe ngoba esephoqwa isimo kodwa hayi ngoba ethanda. Umuntu obekwazi ukukhipha athengela ama-food parcel abantu ka-100,000 ka-200,000 obekwazi ukukhipha iy'moto kade kune-rally nje eMthatha wakhipha 6 wey'moto. Wangibiza ngamtshela ngiyilapho mina. Wafanele ngihambe naye ngathi mina ngiyilapho mina. Ngi-MK mina bafowethu futhi ngiyayithanda ngiboni futhi kukhona elinye iqembu engingalijoyina. Sengaba ukuthi phela izinto ziyenzeka kodwa ngi-MK kodwa nje khehlelezi mfowethu mina ngeke uhlebe inkabe yami hayi awudeserve balapha. Nabaphathi futhi akufanele ngabe bayakubukelela. So ke wena funda kwezakho ukuthi wena iveli ukubona awunayo ivelu nayo kithi esibona amandla akho nesisebenze nawe ukuthi wena udeserve the better thing. Angisho ukuthi sifuna ama-position angini mina bengangena mina ewadini yami bebethu angingene ngibe yikhansela. Ayi ngabatshela mina ukuthi ayi bafowethu anibheke omunye umuntu ayi mina yabo angithi kuthiwa khona malini 6 mali 30,000 noma 62 lapho. Leyo nto leyo ngiyenza ngo3 days noma u2 days mina. Uma ekhemesi nje kusetshenziswe imiqasho mina enginayo ngingayidaluli imiqasho kodwa nje imiqasho enginayo le mali eholwa ikhansela ngiyenza ngenyanga yodwa mina kusala ushithi futhi. So ke ngeke umuntu ofana nami ukuthi uyongena ewadini. Kodwa ngiyambongela umfowethu ngithi ngidlulisa imessage nje kubaphathi ukuthi yeah. Bafethu niyangikhatha nikhethelezi bafethu.
Sesibhala ake sibheke kakhulu umsebenzini wezalweni lakho. Sibheke kakhulu emafeni njengoba sebantu kuyabukeka abantu bebaningi abasebethola umsebenzi. Mhlawumbe lo msebenzi loku kusinephusha ukuthi babe even more since kukhona abantu abasakhona bangaphandle abavalile. Singabona kuzala.
Bafethu on camera ilakho iyasebenza enisazosebenza bukani yabo manje njoba ngila fanele ngabe ngise-Pietermaritzburg angikwazanga ukuye e-Pietermaritzburg ngenxa yokuthi ngithe ngiphuthumele omancinza ababhizi bayasebenza ilakho bafowethu isazobakhipha abantu bokufika isazosebenza strong and imashi and mashi isazoyisupport. So ke ngithi mina ke ilakho siqhubeka sisebenza siyaqhubeka siyaphambili. Baningi ke abantu lokhu sisendelwa ngoba nje manje balinde inamba abantu khona inamba esayilungisa yokuthi kuphuma inamba. Wena okwenzayo uyafona uthi hey la kule nkampani ukuthi kunamazayiza yangaka. Nalabo abamhlophe siyabafuna futhi abangenamaphepha. Asidini nalendle abanesikhumba esifana nesethu kuphela. Yonke indawo siyadila nabo. Umsebenzi mkhulu bafuthu usazokwenzeka basazoqashwa futhi abantu. Uma ngabe uhlele kwaNongoma, uhlele eShowe, uhlele eMthwalume, uhlele ePortshepstone, yenza so. lungisa manje uzama indawo eThekwini, indawo ivulekile eThekwini manje. Uzorenta, uzofesa, umsebenzi uyavuleka bafowethu. Abathandi bayathanda. So yilakho iyasebenza, isazoqhubeka futhi isebenza. Semthini njengekudala lapha neBrea. Kunabantu okuthiwa sebekhona abantu abababuyisayo, abantu sebehambile sebeyababuyisa. Siyobakhipha lapha emthini.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Kubonga mina.
So akwazi ukuvele kube into esibhedlela noma udokotela oyithathela isinqumo ukuthi umuntu siyabona. Ikakhulukazi uma engene ngoba angangenelanga ukuthi uyahlanya ikhanda esibhedlela kodwa akekho right. Ngene because uyilimazile. Because remember into eyenzakalile ngesikhathi eboshwe uzama ukuyibulala. So ngesikhathi ezama ukuyisika so but esikutholayo ezwele ngicabanga ukuthi kuzovela enkantolo, but of course into engaka umsesho besitshela yena ukuthi odokotela bayiqala ukuthi ngathi ikhona i-report ezovela ukuthi egazini lakhe utholakele nezidakamizwa. So leyo nto yasho ukuthi akuyena umuntu ohlanyayo, umuntu obeyidlela ama-drugs before, but kathi ngizovela enkantolo. So but in a nutshell into ezokwenzakala ubuya kusasa azovela enkantolo. So uma sefika enkantolo, inkantolo izokwazi ukwenza inquiry, i-check-e ukuthi engakwazi yini to stand trial. So uma ngabe bekhuluma naye izosho i-state ukuthi noba acela ukuthi arifeye esibhedlela if kuwukuthi uma ngabe ama-proceedings engawakwazi ukuwalandela. Leyo process izosho ukuthi-ke icala lizolinda ahambe aye laphaya labantu ababamba phinde bangabambi. Then bese kwenziwa i-report iyabuyiswa enkantolo. If ibuye i-report ethi akekho fit ukustand trial uyavuka mentally, then kusho ukuthi ngingaqhubeke to stand trial. But if ebuya ama-report ethi uphila saka, which we believe ukuthi uyaphila, then uzoqhubeka trial. So I'm sure sizwile ukuthi ama-charges awu-4 akhona. Charge yokuqala i-attempted murder, because I think usisi bazochaza bafethu, but I think umgwaze more than 40 times. Ikakhulukazi because kunama-injuries asekhanda that angena almost closer to the brain. So we just need to pray, of course, ukuthi uNkulunkulu intervene lapho kwazi ukuphuma. But in reality, if you look at the extent of the damage, the intention was murder. And that's why then a charge of attempted murder forces. But also there was an injury to the guys. Again, there's a charge for that, which is attempted murder, because if so there are 2 people that he tried to kill. But the third issue is ama-documents wakhe ukuba la. There is allegation. We are saying allegation for now because that must be confirmed enkantolo. Ukuthi ngathi kade lokho ayingene ngakho kwamphelela. So basically khona bakhe la is also illegal as well. So we are not dealing with a murderer or attempted person who wanted to commit murder, but we are dealing with also a criminal or la against our immigration law. This is a person obviously Ozela, and I think one of the issues we must take up with state. There's an allegation of there are Amazon to the moon, but there is a allegation there are no Amazon in South Africa. So we need to investigate and see the young turtle as well in Vienna. But also there was already protection order which as when the Msangano of any other thing. Even that protection order, which means it's a better protection. So I think always because spoken now, hospital between here and the state. The point about made when they watch it. So you look over some point this is open, this is your payment time. So every step is going to send out. So this is monitor. If there are issues, if for instance they decide to prosecute, we do the normal process of apply for private prosecution. Then it's like a 7 and a so at the end of the day, you may come and open up to the 15 years old, but you may try to talk. But at the same time, each and every nurse must hotel every day we are cocktail estate and the Maliama repairs for a criminal offender in Abantu abasenkantolo, stenographer, prosecutor, manje and every system this is a problem we have. People are abusing our justice system. They just walk into our country, they kill people. But if we try by the problem is our justice system sometimes allows but we tell. So we just need to comply with the law, to be patient, but everything is already synchronized. So more people are going to yeah, success of a community and the program and
Sewumndeni abadlulisa okukhulu kubona usupport esithola ku-movement we-Marshall March ihamba ibanga elide kakhulu ngoba like every day bayakwazi ukuthi bathathe ifamily bafike nasekhaya bazobheka isimo ukuthi sihamba kanjani ba-arranjele nabantwana ama-counselling so sesijasentsa siyabonga kakhulu mfethu into eniyenzile i-Marshall March ikhombisile ukuthi umuntu anibi naye ebuhleni kuphela kodwa noma kukhona izimo ezimvelelile niyakwazi so njengamanje ifamily nithwele kakhulu naye ngiyelwa ihope uma ibona le support engaka enipha yona even nokuyihlalela ezinye izinto lesihlelela zona so siyabonga kakhulu nje kwi-Marshall March bafowethu movement yenu enhle esiyithandayo esiyisekayo futhi kakhulu ukuthi umuntu ose-South Africa ngokungemthetho kubalulekile ukuthi alishiye lelizwe abuyele ezweni lakhe naye ahamba ayolungisa inkinga zakhe sisale nezwe lethu nathi silungise zethu ngoba asisakwazi ukuthola kahle izinto ezilingana thina ngoba sekunanabantu aba-extra esibalweni sezinto ey'suke y'hlalelwe thina so guys ngalawo mazwi sizosho ukuthi bafowethu siyabonga bonke abantu abasisaphothile nonke nengibiza amagama uMzimba Khalimali oMenzi Biyela umfowethu o-actayo uNqobile Mbandwa siyakubonga kakhulu kuleyo support emzimkhona siyifamily iyasiqinisa kakhulu isimo-ke sikasisi-ke namanje asikajabulisi usase-ICU singenile ngaphakathi laphana enkantolo namhlanje ngenhlanhla-ke icala lakhe lingeni likwazi ukuthi lingene kwi-roll yamacala azoqhubeka le nkantolo base behlehlisa-ke bahlehlisela ikusasa nje kade sechazile umsholozi ukuthi ngenhloso yokuthi bafuna ukuthi abe khona kusasa engingakubalula nje ukuthi i-magistrate ithole ukuthi maningi amaphutha enzekile estation police station la boshwa khona lo muntu maningi izinto abangayilandelanga kahle ngoba nangalesikhathi bemnyisa khona laphana ukuthi ayobhandishwa izandla esibhedlela kwakumele baqale bayenze application yabo ukuthi sibopha umuntu la kodwa sifisa ukuthi sim-applyele ukuthi akaye esibhedlela ngoba phela umuntu meseboshiwe akuseyena amaphoyisa sekuwe-West State into yakhe sekufanele yazi ukuthi isuke phi yabo but masifika la enkantolo sithola okuningi abalandelanga imigudu efanele but-ke ngosizo-ke lokuthi-ke nathi bakhona abameli esisebenzana nabo kuyasijabulisa ukuthi yonke into iyazama manje ukuthi ibuye ngoba bese kuney'nkulumo zokuthi kwakusasa angeke afike uzovela isiwe futhi engazange enkantolo ikuchithile-ke lokhu inkantolo athi no akabuye ezenkantolo kube inkantolo embonayo ukuthi akekho fit bese bhala incwadi yokuthi imusele amandla
siyabonga kakhulu kusho olukhulu nakusasa ziyakhala kodwa ngaphambi kokuthi ngivale ngicela ukunika uMangobese nje ithuba asale seyigoqa indaba yethu
Ngibona. Ezinkulumo kodwa namhlanje nje ngizocela sengithe yodwa. Cela sashe lo mzuzu sikhulekele isizwe sasesibhedlela. Simbeke nje emthandazweni sicela uNkulunkulu sabe naye. Cele nabakubo uma bekholelwa kubantu abadala bakho babaphakamisa nabo manje. Kodwa nje thina simi ngomkhuleko ukuzomcelela ukuthi alulame la khona. Noma impilo yakhe ngeyiphinde ifane ngoba yekho umuntu oba right after into kanjena kodwa nje impilo yakhe uma uNkulunkulu esigcinele yona sizobonga lokho ngiyacela nje sivala amehlo bese siyacela sonke nje sikhuleke nabangakwazi bazozama ngendlela abazama ngayo kodwa nje kubalulekile ukuthi simbeke uNkulunkulu njengamanje siyabonga uNkulunkulu baba siyabonga
siyambuza abantu ukhuluma
lento desisho ukuthi umsolo kahle kahle kufanele uqale khona la enkantolo not ukuthi isibhedlela siyidecide sona ukuthi umuntu ohambe elimele isandla uyagula ngekhaya asazi ukuthi bafike kanjani kuleyo conclusion ngoba enye into ade siyibuza ukuthi ubani esibhedlela obem-assessa, you know, is it someone who's got ama-qualities of-assess umuntu ngokwengqondo noma udokotela nje. So nakhona lokho besingabaza, so siyajabula ukuthi kusasa lokho kusaya sizobe simbona umsolwa evelele enkantolo.
Ulalela examination abantu ufisa ngama-magistrate indlela okwenzeke ngayo ukuthi ufike elimele esandleni but kwagcina sekuthiwa emene uselebuzeli sekukhona indaba ye-mental health. Niyibuka kanjani?
No, thina besivele sikula lokho even before sifike namhlanje enkantolo because sele from day one saze safika e-police station siyobhikishela khona lokho ukuthi lo muntu akabuye phela angithi nizomcharger kahle because even ukumcharger nakhona bese kuzophelelwa isikhathi sase siyaphoqa no phela amchargeni even if uzofika enkantolo not akacharge ngoba if ningakwenzi uzophela lokho 72 hours kufanele nimcharge ngayo and then bese sizoba ne-problem. So sijabulile nje ukuthi lokho besikubona nathi kuyinkinga nemanje ifike yagcizelela ukuthi no akwenzekanga ngendlela bekuyona ngoba awukwazi phela ukungena ulimele izandla bese befika udokotela ethi uyahlanya just because no kusho nombani angabe lafika esibhedlela performe ajikijela izinto athi uyahlanya then bese ke kuthiwa akangabe seze enkantolo akwazi ukusebenza kanjalo.
Okay, just one question in English, your reflections on what the magistrate said about the police handling of this matter from the start when they actually arrested the suspect.
Look, I think a lot of people in South Africa go through this sad process of not getting justice because procedures were not followed, and you know we end up finding ourselves in situations like these where people who are supposed to be in prison don't go to prison because of certain technicalities. And we are very happy that we could be here today, even from before appearing today, even for the family, so that we can assist them through the process. Because even for the matter to be heard today, we had to push and insist that the gentleman be charged. And you know, to hear it from the police themselves to say that he's already admitted to guilt is further testament, because no mentally ill person knows exactly what they're doing and can even admit to doing it, and then they cut their hands and then suddenly they've lost their ability to think or process what they've done previously. So we're here today because we demand justice, and on top of that, it adds to all the things we're always saying, that here is a soldier who came to the country, pretended to be a pastor, went on with his life, and you know, afterwards he's undocumented, unknown, walking around freely in the country and causes harm. And this is not an exceptional case. This is something that happens throughout the country. But a lot of people go around and don't get justice, and then people claim that the statistics don't reflect the truth of what's going on. But how do you get statistics of people who keep getting away with such crimes? So we are very, very happy with the fact that tomorrow we're going to be here back again and we get to see this person who's done this horrendous thing. And we demand that the government of South Africa act on the issue of illegal immigrants and make sure that even their governments can know that this is what their people are doing in our country.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ngelingenile bengekho umsolo nakho sekuyavula ukuthi kusasa uzovela u-8.
No, namhlanje kube usuku sibujabulele kakhulu thina njengomndeni ukuthi ke egcineni yenzekile into ebesifisa ukuthi leli cala alingene enkantolo ngoba bekade kunomdontsiswana kakhulu kule docket singasa understand ukuthi kanti amaphoyisa aphezukwani kahle kahle ngoba belingalifuni ukungena bebuye bathi umsolwa ucabanga ukuthi bamuse eFootnap udokotela usho njalo akaphilile. But okufike kwasijabulisa kakhulu mase singenele ngaphakathi ukuthi sibone inkantolo ivumelana nathi kulezi zinto ekade sizisho maqala lolu daba ukuthi kuningi ungahambisi kahle okwenziwa amaphoyisa kulolu daba ngoba ushilo inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi namhlanje kwangafanele ukuthi mebemhambisela ukuthi ayostishwa esibhedlela umsolo isibhedlela sona sizathathe isinqumo sokuthi sifuna ukumcheck-a nengqondo ngoba bengazele lokho kwakumele bamstishe bambuyisele back same day kuma-cells akwazi ukuthi ngakusasa avuke eyobhekene ne-court. So but bona abantu mebefika la bamcheck ingqondo baphinde bambhalise ukuthi bamdinga u-72 hours ukuthi bammonithe bambone kahle. So
kwabe sekufazekeleka kona lokho ebesikusho nathi as umndeni ukuthi kuningi engasijabulisanga ama-person lines ngisho engakhona icala njengalento ukuthi kwi-crime scene bathi bayanqaba ukuyoshutha umndeni awambe uyoshuthela ebese ubathumela iy'thombe ngo-WhatsApp okuyinto eyasiphatha kabi siwumndeni saqala lapho ukubona ukuthi leli cala vele ngeke liphatheke kahle ngoba if sizoyishuthela bazozibona ngani enkantolo uma ukuthi ayithempa ilento i-evidence noma mhlampe safike saphazamisa kwi-crime scene. So kwathi later i-province ngathi yabafonele ababiza yabasola ngalokho kwangamele ukuthi bathi umndeni awuyishuthele ngoba ngakusasa sathi masithi safika sebefake ne-red tape bastate bafika ne-province yashutha bafika-ke nabo as i-local police station iBluff basebenza umsebenzi bekumele bawenze babuya futhi baxolisa bathi no bawenzile amaphutha. So namhlanje sijatshulisa ukuthi ithe iqala nje ingena inkantolo yabona ukuthi no kuningi okungalandelwanga kahle umseshi nawo i-police station.